solid, smooth taste, and pleasing aroma. Nothing compares to this most unique cigar experience. Chocolate. Just take this refry and just take some part of it. You can do whatever you want.
I'll be like this.
Yeah. There's where you want that. I'll go back to you. Angela, you want a little cigar? Porter's green.
It kind of tastes like chocolate.
Imported by Freetech International, Moonsburg, California.
God
USA.
damn it!
Made in Belgium.
Get some!
Made in Belgium. That's like freaking, that's some Jaeger shit right there.
Chamber juice, yeah! Jax, he's like, fuck yeah! Come get some. Am I disturbing you?